I am working on putting in shelving within the studs. All right, I've actually built these out. I just want to give you a little hint, a little view. 2.25 more inches out here from my original stud. I took off everything this is a false wall, and I took down everything, the pegboard that was up there, and I'm installing these cabinets in here. And what this is going to house is my paint and all this junk down here that I can't see. You know, my spray cans of wood finish and everything else. These will accommodate all my quartz and my spray cans. So I'm going to have, these are 22-inch wide cabinets. I'll have double doors here. I'll have double doors here and a single door there. And I'll have a shelf in between. As you can see, I've cleaned it up for it. But the shelves will extend the whole distance. They'll come all the way out here. I may add another piece. I'm not sure yet. But if I tack them down, I should be fine. But I'll have a shelf here and another shelf up here. And then I'll be able to get a lot of that stuff out of there, in which then I'll know what I have on any given day. I can just open it up and see it'll fit too deep. And yeah, I don't lose any floor space in my little tiny shop. So all I've lost is 2.25 inches. How's that for a space